It's Patrick and Lester at Pals. Les, you got this Mercedes-Benz nosed up into the door. What are we doing to it?
We're doing an AC check. Customer complaining that it's not cooling. It takes over 5 minutes for it starts to cool.
So what's the first thing that you do to diagnose AC?
What we're going to do, we do a quick visual check. The second thing we do is we hook the machine up to it, and then we pull it down to see how much refrigerant's in the vehicle.
So you actually recover the amount of refrigerant that's in there and compare it to what it should have.
Correct.
Now, if it's low, what do we do from there?
Then what we'll do is we'll pull a vacuum down on the system, make sure there's no moisture in it, and then we'll shoot it with the proper charge.
Now, suppose that it had the proper amount of refrigerant in it, then what would be your
Then
next
we
step?
put it back in, and then we start checking electrical. See if we got the electric down to the compressor, commanding it on, make sure we got a ground down there.
So the first thing to check when a car comes in with an air conditioning problem is how much refrigerant it's got in it. Do a visual inspection, make sure nothing's come apart or missing, right?
Correct.
And then, if that is all good, the next thing is to check electrical.
Correct.
If you've got an air conditioning problem on your Mercedes-Benz, bring it to Pals. See you soon.